How to stop recurring payments on Amazon Pay for subscriptions. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to stop recurring payments on Amazon Pay. Without any further delay, let us just get started. First thing first, you can open up your web browser and then go to Amazon Pay. So basically go and log into your Amazon account and then just search for Amazon Pay there. You should be able to get to this page. Once you are here, if I scroll down, there is no option for auto pay. So what you basically have to do is just scroll down here and find an option for your account management. So tap on manage and you'll find your account over here. You can tap on see more to see other stuff as well, but I'll just tap on the account option here. On your account management, you can find personal details and other stuff. You basically have to scroll down and find the option for auto pay. So under payment option at the very bottom, you can find auto pay option. If you tap on it, here you can find all of your pending subscriptions or active subscriptions that are being charged for monthly uses. So you can basically cancel them from here or you can completely remove them. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.